Hey guys!
Hi everyone! Have you ever wondered why caffeine has varying effects on different people? Why do some people get the jitters and stay wired up for hours, while others simply don't react to caffeine and can even go to bed after a cup of coffee?
Yes, and guess what? Genetics plays a very big part in this too.
That's right. And one of the genes behind this is what we will be sharing with you today.
Welcome to our show today, folks. In the Gene Spotlight Show, we strive to bring you regular insights on DNA that you never knew you had in a fun and entertaining way.
Yes, so if you want to be updated on our new episodes weekly, do hit that red button below and subscribe to our growing channel.
So, as mentioned, we are sharing with you one of the genes that plays a part in the effects of caffeine.
Yes, and that gene is called CYP1A2.
I actually like to call it the coffee connoisseur gene.
Yes, you could call it that too, Kevin. I think I'm quite a coffee connoisseur myself. I've tasted a vast array of coffee from all over the world in my travels, and I particularly love espressos.
Haha, that's awesome. I have a favorite coffee too, but it's quite unique. You probably haven't heard of it.
Oh, what kind of coffee would that be?
It's Bespresso. Haha.
Oh gosh, Kevin. Anyway, I'm sure many of you coffee lovers have tasted your fair share of coffee too, even though some of you may not appreciate the taste of coffee so much, or might have a less appealing experience from the effects of caffeine found in coffee.
Yes, but to help you understand this better, we are first going to explain how caffeine is processed in the human body. Caffeine is primarily metabolized in your liver by enzymes called cytochrome P450 enzymes, which are responsible for the breakdown of more than 90% of caffeine. That cytochrome P450 enzyme is coded for by the CYP1A2 gene.
That's right. This gene is located on class 15 of our chromosomes, and CYP1A2 stands for cytochrome P450 family 1, subfamily A, member 2. Cytochrome P450 is an enzyme that oxidizes steroids, fatty acids, and it is important for the clearance of various compounds from your digestive system. Apart from humans, it also exists in mammals and plants.
Yes, that means I should have this gene too. Maybe that's why my fur is so brown, like a caramel latte. Haha.
Yes, Kevin, I'm pretty sure you have this gene too. So, now to answer the question as to why people experience varying degrees of effects from caffeine.
The effects of coffee is related to how the human body metabolizes caffeine. In short, if your body metabolizes caffeine well, you will simply feel more energetic and alert for a couple of hours. Some people may even barely feel the effects. But if your body is slow to metabolize caffeine, the effects of it can be more apparent and last longer. This is where some people may experience jitters and alertness for several hours.
You're absolutely right. In fact, the CYP1A2 gene actually helps your body build up a stronger tolerance to caffeine over time. That is why, for you guys who drink coffee regularly, you sometimes will need to drink more to get the same effects of caffeine.
Wow, it's like your body gets adapted to the caffeine consumption, eh?
Exactly. However, there is also a variant of this gene that metabolizes caffeine slower. If you have this gene, your caffeine metabolism will be slower, which will make you more alert.
I understand now. I guess it's interesting why coffee is such a popular drink these days. I know many people who go late into the night for their hobbies and work, and a nice cup of coffee will help them perform better.
In fact, the roots of coffee can be traced back to the ancient forests on the Ethiopian plateau in the year 850 AD. And the story goes that an Ethiopian goat herder discovered coffee after he noticed his goats became so energetic from eating berries off a certain tree, and they did not want to sleep that night.
Nice. I bet these goats have a weaker variant of the CYP1A2 gene then.
Yeah, but goats aside, If you or your friends want to know if you have higher or lower response to caffeine, go take a DNA test.
Yes, and for those of you who love to drink coffee but finds that it gives you the jitters, worry not, because we have some corrective actions for you coming right up.
And indeed we do, guys. Here are a few ways to get rid of caffeine jitters quickly. Number 1. Drink more water. An effective way to get rid of your jitters is to flush the caffeine out of your system with water. Drinking water will decrease the effects of caffeine in a relatively short time. Number 2. Exercise more. Exercising will help metabolize the caffeine. Try stretching, take a brisk walk, or go for a quick jog. All of this will improve the mind, body, and soul. Number 3. Wait it out. Luckily, the effects of caffeine eventually go away on their own. There is always the option to practice breathing techniques while you're just waiting it out. Number 4. Sip some herbal tea. Herbal tea will neutralize the effects of caffeine on the body. With no caffeine, these magical beverages contain some pretty good health benefits such as aiding in digestion, protecting cells, and easing those nasty colds.
Awesome! Those are some good tips for you coffee lovers.
Yes, and with that, we have come to the end of our show today, guys. If you know anyone who has the jitters or generally a low tolerance to caffeine, share your experience with them in our comments below. Or even better yet, share this video with them.
Yes, we hope you like our episode today, and remember, we release a new episode every week, and with new DNA, health, wellness, and fitness promotions every month.
Yeah, so please do subscribe to our channel to get updated on new content and promotions that may change your life.
Alright guys, enjoy your coffee and have a great week ahead. Goodbye!
Bye guys!